Hi everybody, my name is Chitra Saunda. I am a writer, author, and a storyteller, and I want to introduce you to the Sona Sharma series. There are 4 books in the series. Sona Sharma, Very Best Big Sister, Sona Sharma, Looking After Planet Earth, and Sona Sharma, A Friend Indeed. These 3 are out. The latest book is called Sona Sharma, Wish Me Luck, and it's out in September 23 in the UK. The entire series is illustrated by Jen Khatun and published by Walker Books in the UK and Candlewick Press in the US. And I wanted to give you a little bit of an idea about the series. Sona Sharma series is set in Chennai in a very traditional intergenerational family home, just like the one I grew up in. And even physically, the house is very similar to mine. Or my parents' house where I grew up, with trees, mango trees and coconut trees and squirrels and all sorts of things. Sona has a lovely teddy called Elephant, which I also have, and she talks to Elephant throughout the series. Sona's family is very supportive. She's got lots of help from her parents and her grandparents, and she's got friends in school who are very, very close to her. In book 1, Sona Sharma is worried about having a new baby sister come into her life, but she gets the responsibility of finding a name for her baby sister. Does she come through? Can she find a name? That's what you have to read and find out. In book 2, Sona is very anxious about the planet, as we all are, and she wants to do something not just by her own acts, but also she wants to mobilize her family, her community, her school, and she definitely wants to change the rules of the game for the Margari festival, which is a festival that happens in December. The month of Margari is from 15th of December to 16th of January, roughly on a lunar calendar. And a lot of festivals happen in Chennai. Music and floor art called Kolam. A lot of people compete in these competitions, and one such competition is happening in Sona's neighborhood as well. And in book 3, Sona Sharma, A Friend Indeed, Sona is competing in class elections, and she's competing against her own best friend. Now that is a problem, isn't it? That happened to me, and I hope Sona behaved better than I did in those competitions. And Sona is trying to figure out if she really wants to be a class leader or not. But also during that, we also learn a very funny story about 2 mice and a cat, which my grandmother told me, which is in the book, which also happens during the first birthday celebrations for her younger sister. In book 4, which is here, which is Sona Sharma, Wish Me Luck, is inspired by my collecting little lucky talismans as growing up as a kid, but even now maybe sometimes. So we used to get a peacock feather and keep it in our book and make secret wishes into it. So she collects a lot of these talismans with her friends. But why? She wants to make a wish so that her teacher, Miss Rao, always stay with her and her class. And does she? We don't know, because Miss Rao is getting married. So you need to go and read the book and find out more about what's happening in Sona's life in that book. I hope you enjoy reading these books. There are lots of nuggets of little bits of Tamil culture, Hindu culture embedded into the stories. There are sayings, there are references to things that are very unique to our culture. So it'll be great for you to read and find out, and tell me if you enjoy them. Thank you very much.